Hello everyone and welcome to Stocking Flower Making by Janice Creative Flowers. This is tutorial 7 and we are going to learn how to make a bud rose.
Yeah. So now we are going to learn how to make a bud rose. We learned in the last tutorial how to make a rose, a petal rose, and now we are going to learn how to make a bud rose. First, we will see the materials required. First, we need stocking cloth, thread to tie the petals, a container to make the circles, then a pair of scissors, a plier to cut the wires, flower making wire, and some cotton. Yeah. Okay, so now we will see. First, take the container and take a piece of wire I have here and make a circle like this. Yeah, and now I'm going to wrap it with the stocking cloth. Like this. Use the thread to tie the petal. You have to tie a knot. You can tie it in any way. This is my way of tying. So there could be various ways to tie a knot. That is not of a problem. Cut the thread. And then cut the extra stocking cloth. Yeah, keep it aside. So I want 6 circles like this. This is one. I have already made other 5. So I need 6 circles, 6 petals. 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 and 6. Yeah. Now next we need to make a bud. So here take some cotton. You have to make a little big bud. Take some cotton like this. And then I have some the cut out pieces of some extra stocking cloth, which is not this is not useful for making any flower because it is not in a good shape. So what I will do is I will wrap this extra stocking cloth on the cotton ball like this. In any of the ways you just have to wrap it. It need not to be perfect because anyways this ball is not going to be seen outside. Petals will be covering it like this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think this much is enough for us. Okay, just keep it here. Take the flower making wire, using the plier cut the wire because I need only this much. Bend the wire. Don't use your teeth, use the plier. Using teeth is not a good practice. No, we have made a cotton ball which is wrapped with the uh, petal, and now what we have to do is place this ball inside a good piece of stocking cloth like this and insert this wire inside this. like this. You need to apply little force and insert the wire. Yeah, careful, that should not be bended, but you can, like this. Hold it tight. And tight with the thread, like this. Cut the thread. And also the extra stocking cloth. It should be fine. Yeah. It should be like this. Should be like this. Okay, this is the bud. Now take your petals, hold your petals like this and pull them little up. Oval shape. Circle to oval shape. Yeah. Yeah, okay, fine. So I have 6 petals here. Take any one petal and hold it like this. Using your thread, tie the petal. Yeah. Now what you have to do is this. Using the thumb, press this cotton ball bit inside and do like this. Okay, the shape should come like this. And here on the upper part, bring it clear like a bottleneck. And then this part, upper part, you have to pull like this. Okay, it should look like this shape. Then take another petal and tie opposite to it, straight opposite. Tie one more knot. Yeah, and do the same. Hold it here, and now this second petal should overlap the first petal. Okay, the corner should be on it like this. Yeah, overlapping. Again same, make a bottleneck type, bring it near, bottleneck type, and then pull this like this. Yeah, now your bud will not be seen, it is much inside, like this. And then you can open it up little, like, yeah. The best thing about the stocking flowers is you can bend it the way you want. That is the best thing about it. Now I have 4 petals remaining, same process. Now if you see the overlapping here of 2 petals, then start your next round straight from there and tie the petal. Yeah. Okay. Again same. Press it inside and do only this much. Press it inside and leave it like this. Take one more petal here, tight. Same, overlapping and little bending. Okay, yeah. one more petal, tie it first, shape we can give later. Yeah, again same, press it inside and little up. Yeah, and the last petal, it will come here. First tie it, now it will be again same, overlapping and little like this. So if you see from the top wave, your bud rose looks like this. Okay, I'll wrap the thread. Yeah, you have to wrap the thread a bit tight, or this wires will come out, or then your petals will dismantle. Tie the knot. Okay. Yeah, I forgot to mention about the green floral tape. This also we need. So I'm going to now wrap the green floral tape. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Just pull it and we are done. So this is our beautiful bud rose. If you want to make your bud rose little big, you can try one more round of petals. Same process. Thank you.
So if you like my work, the flowers and the flower making process, please subscribe to my channel. I'm happy if you give a like, and if you have any questions or would like to give some comments, you are free to put your comments in the comment section, and if you would like to share it, that is well and good. Thank you everyone.